you know me, you know that I have an irrational fear of losing my passport, especially while traveling. So I immediately ran for my safe. Picking out my outfits for Vienna tomorrow. You guys, I do this before every trip. I have to like lay everything out to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I think that these are gonna be some of the outfits that you guys will see on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see my outfits, because I don't really take any like OOTDs on here. But yeah, I got these cute jeans from Zara, and then I think this is from Zara too. So I'm on the train. They have a whole menu on here. And then, you guys, what they do here, the first thing they ask is what newspaper you want to read. That's so cool. I've never, in America, they don't ask you what newspaper you want to read. And then I got a croissant. It's €1. You guys, in America, this would be like $8. I'm in Austria. So I took a train here. I have my entire setup. I have my coffee, had a croissant earlier. I am so tired right now. I can't even show you guys what I look like. Take a look out the window. So in Austria, they speak, one of the main languages is German. So everything here, majority of things here are written in German. It's so cool. Like, I'm just gonna assume that's in German. Okay, yeah, I just looked it up. Their official language is German. So this is all German. You guys, look at their little trains that go through the city. Wait, no, never mind. I think these are called trams. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like... You guys, this elevator is so cool. It has a chair. So beautiful. You guys, this hallway is so cute. The details of this entire hotel, and then they have names like these plaques on all of the doors, and the key. And then how beautiful is this room? It has like a coat hanger, and then you go this way. They have artwork, and then these like beautiful lamps. I forget what these are called, but then the bathroom is here. It's so cute. I haven't even seen this. Oh my god, it has a bidet. Oh wait, that's the bidet. How beautiful. My commentary is just gonna be about how beautiful this is. Details, we love the details. Oh my gosh, the phone, I love this. And then you go this way. The marble floors are everything. And then the room, the bed. How pretty is this? The view is of the opera house. Oh my god, so pretty. And then there's a little TV right there, chandelier, and then a little fireplace, coffee maker. What is this? Oh, mini fridge, like a little bar. I love how antique vibes from all of this. It's giving European luxury. And then more artwork, and then I think this is just a closet. Okay, I figured out how to open this. Oh my god. Guys, my aunt is so cute. She's ready. She made herself an espresso, and I'm still getting ready. She is ready to go. Listen, I take a minute, okay? Beauty takes time. Just kidding, I'm naturally beautiful. Bye. Hey guys, I am leaving. I definitely broke my camera, by the way, because it's doing that. But anyway, this is my outfit, and then the cutest fuzzy YSL bag. I'm obsessed. It's also reversible and it's suede. Okay, I gotta go. I am super late. This elevator. So cool. I hit the wrong button. I did before. Think that I said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say, you know, Europe is really beautiful, but after a little while it begins to just all look the same. But you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slow
closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
Christmas decorations, so cute. The chef is right there cooking. The owner here is so sweet. He walked over and he gave us this khachapuri because he realized we were Armenian. It looks so good. Got the linguine with shrimp and scampi. And then I got a mixed salad. And then we got these little garlic rolls. He's making pizza. The amount of wine I drank on this trip.
Through the white noise, oh, I still wanted to restart. Give while you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe
This is so sad, actually.
different conversation. Things are getting comfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that still you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get space. Cause
Fun fact about Europe, you have to pay to use the restroom. You put it in there.
I wanna believe that. Oh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. No, it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause
These statues are huge. Get my hand.
I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back.
I need this. Because this is what I'm here for. These candies are my favorite. Just kidding, I want these dark chocolate ones with Italian hazelnuts. Ooh.
For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to
How cute is this bar? And there's a restaurant. Crystal Lounge. Hey guys, I got my chocolates.
get space. Cause I wanna believe that.
You guys, so we came to the room freaked out because there was someone in the room and we didn't realize what he was doing. But I guess at this hotel, they set the bed up for bed. So they like laid down these napkins or these like little towels on the ground for, I don't know, for you to like step on before you get into bed. And then they open up the covers a little bit and then they gave us like these little candies. I don't even know what these are. They're just little chocolates, but how cute is that? And then they leave you water at the nightstand. I love that. I freaked out for a minute and then they closed the curtains too and I was like, why are they closing these curtains? But yeah, it makes sense now. Oh, and then they prepped the coffee machine over there and then he came and he added some more pods to the coffee machine. So yeah, it was really nice for the morning. I appreciate this. And then he kind of cleaned up the bathroom as well. So yeah, that was actually a really nice touch and like refreshed the bath towels. I've never been to a hotel that refreshes the room for bed, which is really nice. How beautiful is our view at night? Gorgeous. This is the opera house. It's so pretty. Tell me you're Armenian without telling me you're Armenian. We're eating Armenian lavash in Vienna. You guys, core memory watching The Devil Wears Prada in Vienna. If you know me, you know that I have an irrational fear of losing my passport, especially while traveling. So I immediately ran for my safe to make sure that my passport's in there. I know that like it's a safe, obviously everything's gonna be in there, but I freaked out. Okay, I've never been to a hotel that does that, but that's so sweet. That is so nice of the hotel to do because now I have chocolates on my bed before bed. But I'm in Austria, you guys. I'm so excited to be here. I've never been to like any of these countries that I've been to in the last 3 weeks and it is so cool. I feel like I'm living in a dream dream. Honestly, this has been like a dream for so long, to travel to all of these different countries. And for the holidays, I'm making like little Elizabeth so proud. I really want to come back to Europe for the summer. I'm already planning where I want to go, and of course I'm really wanting to go back to Armenia. I love Armenia. But we got here and we went to that Italian restaurant that I showed you guys, and we got some dinner. It was really good, but the waiter was like really rude towards the end. The owner of the place was super sweet. He realized that we were Armenian, and he was like, oh, do you guys want hachapuri? And it was literally like a cheese flatbread, but he was calling it a hachapuri, which is like a cheese bread. But anyway, it was so yummy. It was so good. They were so hospitable. But then towards the end, the waiter kind of got snappy, and we were like, all right, we're gonna head out now. And then we walked around all over Vienna. Well, not all of it, but like a good amount, and it was so beautiful. Honestly, after a little while, Europe, especially considering the fact that I've been just like going to the same countries within like next to each other, they all have like their similarities, but they're all still so beautiful. Nevertheless, I love it here. It's gorgeous. I really hope to one day, I think I want to retire to Europe in the future with my husband, once I have a husband and I'm married and my kids are grown up. But anyway, that's for the future. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anyway, okay, so I'm ready for dinner. I'm super excited. We're just gonna go to the restaurant that's at our hotel, and it's so beautiful here. I love our hotel. It's right across the opera house. Let me show you guys my outfit. Let me get this. Are we focused? I need a new camera. I keep forgetting to get a new camera. It's because I record everything on my phone, like landscape. I'll record on my phone, I'll record on this camera, because that's just what works. I keep forgetting that I need to get a new camera because I'm always recording on my phone. Okay, so my outfit tonight, do I look red? Why do I look red? Okay, is that better? I don't know. So anyway, this is my outfit. I'm wearing this like velvet corset thing I got from Zara, and then these leather pants that I got from Vera Moda. I think that's what it's called. And they're so cute, and they're like straight. I don't know what that's called. And then this coat that I got from Nordstrom that also matches these pants. Wait, where is this from? Oh, it's Topshop. I'm actually not the biggest fan of Topshop, but yeah. And then I got my tried and true. I love these so much. This is my second pair. I killed my first ones. These are so comfortable for Louboutins. They're just like these strappy ones that have spikes, and I love these. I wear these all the time, and they're so comfortable. I have so many pairs of shoes, and I always go back to these ones. Dinners, clubs, I go walking for hours in these. Like, oh, love them. Anyway, okay, that is my outfit. I am going to go to dinner, and I will see you guys later. Good morning, Vienna. It's a little rainy, but so excited to go explore. Look at how pretty these Christmas ornaments are. Oh my god. Period. It won't stop raining, but luckily I'm from Seattle, so it's a vibe. It's all good. I'm used to it. Everyone's walking around with umbrellas, and I'm just chilling. Whatever. I got the truffle soup, cream soup with truffle foam, and then I got this schnitzel, and then it comes with a potato salad. You guys, look at how big this is. But it's my first time eating schnitzel. I'm so excited. Bye, Vienna. I'll miss you. I'm so sad to leave, but off to more adventure. You guys, this is Armenian lavash, straight from Armenia. This stuff is so good. If you know, you know. It's snowing. Oh my god. I haven't seen snow at all in like the last few years. So beautiful outside, this snow. I'm obsessed. I was talking about how I was sad I didn't get to see snow this year, but I saw it, I got experience, and I'm so happy. Pretty, I'm so happy it's snowing on my last day. There's literally no other way I'd want this last day to be in Europe than snowing. I'm so happy. Does that even make sense? Anyway, you guys get the point. I'm just happy it's snowing on my last day. Look at these desserts. It's an apple dessert. Dessert. It's my last day here. I'm so sad, but we're at this restaurant called Asian Temple. It's like lounge. It kind of reminds me of Tao. So I got the ribs, I got a glass of white wine, and then this like shrimp roll, and then I think this is a scallop roll with spicy tuna inside. Ribs are definitely supposed to have like bones, right? Because this is just a big piece of meat. It's good, don't get me wrong, but like, what? Then I got this sea sponge caramel cake and then a lychee black tea. You guys, these tables are teacups.